Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discussing with you, Hormify Hormonal Balance Metabolism Supplement Review. So, Hormify here is a plant-based dietary supplement marketed towards hormonal balance, targeting cortisol, estrogen, and general metabolism support. Now, primarily aimed at women dealing with stress-related weight changes, bloating, or mood fluctuations, though the brand also markets it as suitable for men. Now, per 2 capsule serving here, listed ingredients include vitamin A as beta-carotene, B vitamins that includes B1, B3, B6, B12, and pantothenic acid, zinc, L-arginine, and piperine, which is black pepper extract, along with proprietary herbal blend that includes ashwagandha, maca root, ginger root, panax ginseng, tribulus terrestris, dongquai, and ginkgo biloba, and epimedium. So that's just other word for horny goat weed. And depending on the listing, it contains no caffeine and synthetic stimulants. Also, it's non-GMO and also manufactured in an FDA registered GMP certified US facility according to them. Now, how do you exactly start using this? Now, for 2 capsules daily with this, you want to take like 2 capsules daily with a small glass of water, either both in the morning or split as one in the morning and one in the evening. Now, the brand generally cites results building over 4 to 8 weeks of consistent use, as with any supplements combining multiple active botanicals. Checking with a healthcare provider first is worth doing and recommended, particularly for anyone on medication or managing hormonal or thyroid conditions. Now, for the pricing side here, and purchasing specifically, a 1 month supply is listed at around $54.99 per bottle. Now, 3 months a plan here is around $34.99 per bottle. So that's not the final pricing, so you need to multiply that by 3. And a 6 month plan at $24.99 per bottle. Now, it's worth noting that purchases are set up through a recurring subscription by default and multiple independent customer in here. So you may want to see if it's actually worth it for you. So see what people are actually saying and if it's going to be something worth it. So each and anyone here has different interactions with the product here, and that's why consulting a health practitioner or your doctor first is highly recommended. Now, and also they stated here, they have a money back guarantee in a 30-day window that applies only to unopened bottles. Given this, reviewing the subscription terms carefully at checkout is highly recommended, and confirming cancellation in writing here is worth doing before ordering. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.